Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to set up TalkBack on a Samsung phone. First of all, what is TalkBack? TalkBack is Android screen reader. It is similar to VoiceOver on an iPhone. Something to keep in mind when setting up TalkBack is that it is used across all the Android devices. However, Android covers a large variety of phone brands and user interfaces. So although TalkBack functions the same across all of Android devices, turning it on for the first time or the initial setup will be different depending on which brand of phone that you are using. So for this video, we will be focusing on setting up TalkBack on a Samsung phone. Another key thing to keep in mind when setting up TalkBack on a Samsung phone is that Samsung does not have the TalkBack shortcut automatically enabled. So a student that is blind or low vision may need assistance initially setting up TalkBack. Alright, so let's go in and set up TalkBack. So what you first want to do is go to your settings. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can either swipe up from the bottom of your phone to access your app drawer and find settings, or you can do what I like to do and swipe down from the top and hit the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, you can hit the search in settings and type in TalkBack and it should show up. Or you can scroll down to the accessibility function of the settings and hit that and then hit TalkBack. Now from here, you can see I already turned on the TalkBack shortcut. When you turn on the shortcut, you can then just use the volume up and down keys at the same time to turn TalkBack on or off. So now I'm going to turn on TalkBack. You gotta allow it to control your phone. Alright, so in order to swipe through functions on TalkBack, to go from the top down, you swipe right, and go from the bottom back up to the top, you swipe left. Tap the screen once while it's reading to have it stop reading. Tap it once again to have it read. Double tap to have it access the function. So we're going to scroll back to TalkBack and double tap that. When using TalkBack, all gesture features function the same as they typically do, except for you add an extra finger. So what that means is to go home, instead of one finger swiping it from the bottom, you use two fingers. And you use two fingers to swipe back down. To go to your last page, you use two fingers to swipe from the left or right. And then in order to go home, you just use quick two fingers and swipe up. And you have just initially set up TalkBack on your Samsung device.